Welcome back to Balabas Gist. My people, the information wey dey reach us right now na be say the General Gentle, wey una know as Gentle the Yahoo, dey say Gentle don eat wetin dem dey call otapiapia. Oh, he ate this otapiapia with other commanders wey dey for inside Biafra Liberation Army. As e start right now, they say that the otapiapia wey he eat for mouth, I no know who go put am o. According to Ejem Makeup, he say the otapiapia don dey chop the area for me na be intestine for other commanders. Some no dey even talk again because of this otapiapia wey they don eat. For Oloyibo they dey call am poison poi. So this otapiapia now, I no know how they take dey go drink am. They say that they find how they take put am for Gentle and other commanders wey eat am. I go play the video make you hear as e take talk am before we come back come continue. Stay tuned.
Dear friends, I want to address Biafrans over this video of these three guys that is going around the social media. But before I come to that, I want to use this opportunity to address Biafrans and all the lovers of freedom over the current situation on ground based on our generals, the triple general Igwe Putozo, Major General Gentle the Yahoo, General Owam and the Beat 44, and the rest of the commanders that was affected. The information that is reaching me over their health is that they were poisoned on the 15th of August 2025. And the information came to my location on the 16th of August 2025. And today is 27th of August 2025. And I am here to let Biafrans to know the condition of our generals. According to the information reaching to me this early morning, is that they were poisoned through the wine that was presented to them. And the substance that was added, I mean the poison, was disastrous on their intestines. And the information reaching to me is that many of our generals are not talking by now. Many of them, most of them, are not yet speaking. So the Biafra Defense Forces all over the world is appealing to Biafrans, the lovers of freedom and the consensus ones, to go ahead to pray for our generals, for God's intervention. And the men on the ground are also investigating to know how the substance was penetrated. So now, that is the information I want to let Biafrans to understand, that the situation is very, very critical. The situation of our generals, especially the state commanders, generals, triple general, Major General Gentle the Yahoo, General Owam, General Owebune Butozo Chiaga, and General B44, and the other state commanders that are present. So the investigation is still going on so that we can fish out how this thing penetrated. So that is the situation is very, very critical. And we urge Biafrans to pray for them, for God's intervention. Secondly, our intel from Anambra State Government House. The information reaching to my notice, reaching to me now, is that the Nigerian politicians, especially the Southeast politicians, in collaboration with Governor Hope Uzodimma, Governor Charles Soludo, Governor Peter Mba, particularly these three governors, have gathered together in order to bring another genocide against Biafrans, especially in Olo State, in Owerri State, in Okigwe State. Currently now, I want to use this opportunity to let Biafrans to understand that the PG of Mposi, known as Azoka. The PG of Mposi is Azoka. His name is Azoka. And he is the one now that the Anambra State Governor Soludo and Hope Uzodimma and Peter Mba, oh, ka Biafrans mata ihe na-eme ha ebe o si. The information reaching to me now that the Nigerian politicians are gathering caterpillar, foreign caterpillars, trailers, payloaders, all this construction company, bulldozer, and they are planning to forcefully take over our forest and hand it over to Fulanis, because they have understood, they have concluded by themselves that even Fulani, the Miete Allah, confessed that the presence of the Biafra Defense Forces could not allow them to penetrate, that the Nigerian Army and Nigerian DSS and Nigerian Air Force should help them to give them the settlement. So, dear friends, I want you to understand that Hope Uzodimma and Charles Soludo, in order, because of their political interests, Hope is expecting for a governor or any other position, and Charles Soludo have already alleged to Mieti Allah Fulanis that he can do anything in order to remain his position, because the seat of governor in the Anambra State is shaking. So Soludo, in collaboration with Mieti Allah, want to forcefully take over our forest and hand it over to Mieti Allah. So that is the information I want Biafrans to understand. And I want to use this opportunity to bring to the notice of the international community, international leaders. Ọwụ mgbe ụmụ Igbo nwụsịara ka unu ga-agbatara anya ọsọ enyemaka. The leaders of conscience, ọwụ mgbe ụmụ Biafra nwụchara, mgbe Nigeria terrorists gbuchara ụmụ Biafra, ka unu ga-abịa agbatara anya ọsọ enyemaka. Hear the cry of Biafrans. Hear the cry of innocent civilians. Hear the cries of our babies. Hear the cries of our old mothers. Please, I want to use this opportunity to address Biafrans over the current propaganda video of Voice of Major General Gentle the Yahoo. I want to use this opportunity to address Biafrans. Even though I am not in a position to address Biafrans on that note, but because of the critical condition of Major General Gentle the Yahoo, he is dying. And it surprised me. It surprised me. Is it because our gentle killer is dying? They are now carrying out old videos proving that it's something that is currently happening. No. I want to use this opportunity to let our enemies, let the enemies of Biafra to understand that the men on the ground is not afraid. And we have come to take over our land from Nigerian terrorist government, and we say we have come. So there is no amount of your propaganda that can stop us. Now, I want to use this opportunity to let Biafrans to understand that criminality is criminality. And Gentle the Yahoo is not a criminal. That is why he is eradicating criminals out of Okigwe State. He is eradicating criminals out of Biafra land. And he is eradicating kidnappers. Then who are those criminals? The video that is going on social media. And Iken Guruagu, let me ask you, Iken Guruagu, you are a stupid man. You are a fool. And even you yourself, you know that you are a fool. Even Biafrans know that you are a fool. Even your own family know that you are a fool. Iken Guruagu, let me ask you, are you of Biafra Defense Forces? Are you part of Biafra Liberation Army? Then why are you analyzing what happens or what you think that happens in the territory of Biafra Defense Forces? Iken Guruagu na Kpukwenu. Ihere mewukwegu. Because of your political interest, you betrayed your own land, Biafra. Because of your political interest, because you want Hopus Odemma and the Southeast politicians to give you a chairman, just ordinary chairman of your own constituency. Ordinary chairman, you betrayed your land. I am here to, I want to use Iken Guruagu as a point of contact to reach Ebe Kodike, to reach Hopus Odemma, to reach to all saboteurs, to reach Edi Afonu, to reach all saboteurs who sabotage the defense struggle. Let me use the opportunity to lay a curse upon you people. And I want to also use this opportunity to lay a curse upon all the bloggers, enemy bloggers. We have information how much Hopus Odemma paid you people, and employ you on social media for you to carry a campaign against a propaganda against the men on the ground. Let me tell you, men on the ground are not criminals, and that is why anywhere we catch criminal, we deal with that criminal. We are not a kidnapper. Anywhere we see a kidnapper, we must deal with him. Why is it DOS? Why is it DOS are ranting on social media? Because those criminals are their boys. They will be kidnapping people. And when they are kidnapping people, when they are stealing, Ebe Kodike will come on WhatsApp, ranting nonsense, not knowing that it was his boys that is destroying, bringing the insecurity, kidnapping people. And on that glorious day, these three guys we are robbing. And the information is coming from Onimo that there are criminals robbing. And the police got the information, and the police refused to go. The army got the information, the army refused to go. But the men on the ground, they got the information. And the Gentle has to, the Major Gentle have to give signal, and his men reached there and apprehended these criminals. Let me use this opportunity to make it very, very open. If you are a criminal, leave Okigwe. If you are a kidnapper, leave Okigwe. Because our arms is against criminality. Our arms is against kidnappers. Our arms is against the Nigerian terrorist government who disguise themselves as non-government men, kidnapping and stealing from our people. And when the Nigerian agents are stealing, they will be tagging it, the men on the ground. Listen, let me tell you. That video that is going on social media is a long time, old time video. And I surprised why the DOS are bringing that video now. Only must testify how the criminals are terrorizing them there. And since the apprehension of these criminals, that Onimo is scam, Okigwe is scam, Umudure Bagro is scam, Aronizog is scam, and the Okigwe axis is scam. So why are people ranting? Why are they ranting? Because those guys are their guys they sent in order to commit heinous crimes. And when they are committing heinous crimes, they will be taking the man on the ground. Listen, let me tell you. I am here to lay a curse upon the DOS. Listen, let me tell you. Because of since I joined the struggle of freedom of my people, I have never used this arm to intimidate anybody. I have never used this arm to kill innocent people. I have never used this gun, this arm to go against the different struggle. So now I am here now, laying a curse upon all of you who are calling Njemekop a criminal, who are calling Njemekop a kidnapper, who is calling Njemekop the ghost of the land will strike you. The oath that Chukwukikabia may establish here on earth will strike all of you, because I have never gone contrary. I have never used this gun against my own people. This arm in my hand is against the Nigerian securities, Nigerian terrorist government, against Fulanis, against criminals. So now we are eradicating, clean up the Okigwe from criminality, and the agents are ranting on social media. Continue to rant. What I want to tell you is that unu niile agaghị adị ndụ wee rie ihe nọ na ala Biafra. Ihe ahụ abụmọnụ nna bunu taa, and ọ ga-adị otu a na Eke, ọ ga-adị otu a na Orie, ọ ga-adị otu a na Afọ, ọ ga-adị otu a na Nkwọ. Isi ga-ekpu unu agaghị ahụ ụkwụ unu ga-eji abata obodo a. Abụna m n'ọnụ wee silie wee sị na ọ ga-adị otu a. Criminals, we are freedom fighters. We are freedom fighters. You cannot do anything. We have come to take over the land of Biafra. We say we have come.
My wonderful people, as we take CMO, now we take bring and come show. I bet me when I share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Don't forget to see there for BLA G's. As you watch, make sure you share the video so that other people will get the information.